2023 Ducati Multistrada V4 Rally first look sport, touring, urban, and enduro. Ducati is catering to long-distance and off-road riders with the new 2023 Ducati Multistrada V4 Rally. Based on the S, the Rally has features that will allow riders to go more places more quickly, and go farther than ever between fuel stops. Let's dig in and discover how the new Rally earns its name. The 2023 Ducati Multistrada V4 Rally has an aluminum 7.9-gallon fuel tank. That's up 2.1 gallons compared to the S. To stretch the MPG, electronics perform some wizardry on the V4 Granturismo powerplant. Some of the time, you'll be riding in inline 2, as the rear cylinders are switched off at idle and during low demand at low speeds. Fortunately, as the pace picks up or you twist the throttle hard, you're on a V4 again. This feature activates in all riding modes: sport, touring, urban, and enduro. There's no word yet on the estimated fuel consumption, though we will be expecting better than the S's 36 mpg. Range should be at least 250 miles, unless you ride like it's track day. To make it easier to put on the miles, the Rally's windshield is larger. It's 1.6 inches taller than the S, and 0.8 inches wider. Aluminum cases are standard on the Rally. A side stand is included to stabilize the motorcycle when attaching or removing the cases, as well as to take care of various maintenance duties. Radar is part of the Rally package, which fuels adaptive cruise control and blind spot detection. Cornering-aware lighting is another safety enhancement. If you ride the Rally in cooler conditions, you'll appreciate the standard heated grips and seat. A passenger is accommodated in a variety of ways. The tail on the Rally is longer, and the top case mounting moved back, providing more passenger legroom. The seat height is 2-position adjustable. Taller and shorter pillions are available as accessories. Also, the passenger footpegs have vibration-damping rubber inserts. Ducati has refined the enduro riding mode for the 2023 Ducati Multistrada V4 Rally. It cuts the maximum power to 114 horsepower, while retaining the V4's aggressive throttle response. Traction control is reduced, and rear wheel ABS is switched off. Feel free to do stoppies and wheelies to your heart's content. Pavement-friendly Pirelli Scorpion Trail 2 tires are standard, as they are on the S for serious off-roading. More dirt-oriented rubber will be in order. Note that Ducati shows the off-road action with different tires than stock. Off-road Multistrada riders will applaud the longer travel semi-active suspension. At 7.9 inches at both ends, front wheel travel is up 1.3 inches, and increased by 0.8 inches in the rear. The Ducati Skyhook software keeps tabs on the damping settings as you go.